Hello, welcome to Food Basket. Today we are going to prepare Ivy Gourd Fry. This goes very well as a side dish with rice. Let us see how to prepare Ivy Gourd Fry. Here I have taken 400 grams of Ivy Gourd. I have washed them and cut off the edges. Then I have taken an onion, 3 cloves of garlic, 2 green chillies and a few curry leaves. I have cut the Ivy Gourd into thin 1-inch long pieces. I have finely chopped the onion, garlic and green chillies. Let us heat a pan. Let us add 2 tablespoons oil. Let us add half teaspoon mustard seeds. The mustard seeds have spluttered. Let us add the chopped onion, garlic and green chillies. Let us add the chopped Ivy Gourd. Because Ivy Gourd takes time to get fried, all this will get fried together. Let us add quarter teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon red chilli powder and salt. Let us stir it every few minutes. Let us fry the Ivy Gourd well. The Ivy Gourd is half fried now. Let us add the curry leaves. The Ivy Gourd is well fried now. Let us turn off the gas. Ivy Gourd fry is now ready. Let us transfer it to a serving bowl. Hope you like the Ivy Gourd fry preparation. Definitely try it out. Send me your feedback. Thank you. Come again. Goodbye.